Hey folks, I forgot to show you what I'm doing here. Japanese omelet. 3.0. 2 eggs, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, sake. Mix this together. Boom. Boom. Done. This is it. Mixed together. Now we're going to add some veg. Boom. Veg added. Now we're going to add some cheese. Cheese added. Let's mix. Alright, time to cook. Stove on. Pot. Pan. Now we're gonna add some oil. Oh no! We can't add that. That's sake. Extra virgin olive oil. Good for cooking. Now we cook, and we cook this thoroughly. While it's cooking, we're gonna plate. Trick of the trade, I found out. Small bowl. Fill it with rice. Turn it over. Boom. Instant plated. A little soy. Back to egg. Egg is slowly cooking. This is turn. Plated, cut. Now let's add some sauce. Boom. Breakfast. Great stuff. Breakfast.